So hello friends and again welcome back to my channel. So friends, you are viewing my channel. I bring a new website for you that name miningtrxs.com. So friends, I will give you the total review about this website. How can you deposit your money and how can you withdraw your money? So friends, first of all, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification about my new coming videos. So friends, without wasting our time, we will start our video. Friend, when you get the invitation link of this website, you can get invitation code here from my description. Then you can get invitation code here. You can enter account, password, fund password, WhatsApp account, and Telegram account. Then register in this website. I already registered in this website. That why I will log in this website. So friend, as you can see, we will successfully log in this website, and you can see here the common problem and click to review FAQ. Here the deposit, withdraw, share, team app and logout options. So friend, click on the deposit button and you can see here the transfer to basic account and transfer to promotion account. Recharge are two type of investment. Recharge to the basic account and according to the East time zone every day and receive benefits. Recharge to the promotion account. You can receive income in different cycles and return the principal and income when it expires. So friends, you can click on the transfer to basic account, mm, copy this link and go to your own wallet. Paste this link in your Tron sending limit and deposit your money here, and then back to our website and click on the recharge completed button. So friends, I will tell you about the deposit. Here you can see we have a two wallet, basic wallet and promote account. In basic amount account, you can see all over the money that present in your website, and in promote account you can see that money in which your friend join to this website from your raffle link. You can get rewarded money in your promote account. Join to Bitron Millennial, use cloud mining and DFI technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX in you and USDT income. So click on the details button and you can get all information about it. Here the platform data display in which accumulated profit and membership you can see here. Then here the about us. We are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies at the same time. Whether it is quantitative trading or DeFi technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. So here are some global partners of this website in which WazirX, Coindesk, Zenz Mining, CoinMint, Bitmain, Binance are including. Now we are going to trading, and you can see here our daily profit is plus 6% TRX and plus 6% USDT. Use cloud mining and DFI technology to ensure that all users get the most TRX and USDT income. So here the trading profit, click view all button and get all the information about it. So now we are going to invest. You can see here the product list, recharges and purchase list. You can get all the list here. So now we are going to share. You can see here, share your referral link to and start earning. So friends, copy this link and send to your friend. When your friend joins this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in your promote account. So now we are going to mine. Here you can see our total balance, deposit, withdraw, deposit amount 5 TRX, 0 USDT, 0 TRX, 0 USDT. So basic account, top up 35 TRX, basic account, top up 35 USDT, promotion account, top up 0 TRX, promotion account, top up 0 USDT. Activate the account and turn on the withdrawal function. Application services. Here the team profit list, transfer to basic account, share notification, gift exchange, app, change password and sign out. Click on the team button and you can see here the level 1, 2, 3 date and amount. So according to your investment need, you can get commission in level 1, you can get 10% commission in level 2, you can get 7% commission in level 3, you can get 2% commission. So now back to our website and you can see here, click on the gift exchange. You can paste here the pension code and submit it here. Now you can get the company reward here. So friends, now we are going to withdraw our money. So click on the withdrawal button. Paste your address here and click on the add address button and paste the daily withdrawal limit here. No, enter your password here, and here you can put daily withdrawal limit and submit it. So as you can see, our video is successful. So friends, I will give you the total review about this website. So you can see this is the most profitable website. So join this website and earn money, and we will meet in a new video. So take care of yourself.